Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Dr. Khaluki ubelong MP ke NPP shaga ying darbar thau an Raja Sabha ulaong baka Voice of the People Party kan sa Shah Tynjuh hak election MP but MDC kiban salong house nam arajar arpusaw hak jinge krem bikilat pathai khubor Dr. Khaluki ulaong baka jingki ni jingher jonga VPP kebedan minta sangut ki MLA hapok ke ying darbar thau an ke jilla kebedan rup hongut ki dekhot on sasaki hak election MP but MDC.
We are prepared for every election. We take every election seriously. We take our opponents seriously. All our opponents are equal. We rate them high, and based on that, we are preparing ourselves. I never downgraded any political party. Once it is a political party, it had got 4 MLAs, we cannot downgrade it. So we are preparing for that also, and we'll see when the election comes, what will be the result. The thing is, like what I said, only when the result comes. If you remember, you kept on asking me when the MC. So I'm saying that they will be tested. Only when they'll be tested, then we will know. Even the VPP, they got 4 MLAs, right? And the area where they get the MLAs, the area where they influence, we know. They are yet to be tested. And we will see when 2024 comes in the MDC and the MP election. Then we'll know how much their progress is. But this I can tell you that I'm sure that 2028 election, right today, I may not be president, but Preston will be president under his leadership. We'll get absolute majority 2020.